Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Nothing Phone One Smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can do hard reset or factory data reset in your phone, Nothing Phone One. First of all, switch off your phone. For that, you have to press power button and volume up button together. Power button is on right side, volume up button is on left side. Just press them together to have power off option. Just press them together and click on power off icon here. Your phone will be switched off. You will experience some vibrations, then you can understand that your phone is switched off. Now it is switched off, and if you want to start hard reset process, first you have to press power button and volume down button together. This time you have to use volume down button. Volume down button is on left side, power button is on right side. Just press them together to initiate hard reset. Press and hold these two buttons together, and yes. Now you have to use press volume key to select and press power key to confirm. Okay, so here you go to select with recovery mode. So you go to click on recovery mode and then press power button. Keep on recovery mode and then click on power button. Just wait. You have to press power button and volume up button again, and then now you have to select here. It's very small, text is very small, so I keep it very close. See here. Here you have to select wipe data and factory reset and confirm with the power button. Use power button to confirm. Power button. Just press it. And now here you have to select factory data reset. Second option. First option is to cancel. See here. Second option is to restart. That is a reset. Factory data reset. Click it and confirm with power key. For selecting, use volume down key or up key, and for confirming you have to press power key. Now reset is going on. See here. See in the bottom side, wiping data, formatting data is going on. Wipe data complete. Now you have to here select reboot system. Now first option, keep on first option and press power key to enter. Yes. Now your phone will go to reset and everything will be completed, everything will be reset, all data will be erased, and you can set your phone like a fresh one. Just you have to wait. Yes, here you have to select the language and click enter. Connect to Wi-Fi. If you have Wi-Fi, connect it. Otherwise you can click on setup offline here and see the setup process be very fast. Click on accept, set a pin. Now you can set a pin, otherwise skip it and you can later set it. I skipped it and click on agree and click on next. Click on next. Swipe to start. Yes, setup was very fast and everything is done. Your phone is now reset now. Your phone has been reset and you can use your phone like a fresh phone. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.